Hi friends, let us see the example of taboo search technique. So here the example is very simple. There are 6 jobs are to be done in a sequence, okay, such that an objective function is maximized. So the objective function may be profit from reducing tardiness. So tardiness means it's a quality of being late. Okay, we should not be late. If we are late means if we are consuming more time, definitely our profit will be reduced for any industry. Okay, so here we need to make it objective function maximized. So we need to reduce the time, that we need to understand. Okay, we need to make the objective function, that means tardiness means being late is the tardiness, so that should not be there. Okay, that's what our job is. We need to improve the profit from reducing the tardiness. Okay, so how this can be done? Actually he has given one thing. Let us proceed with this. Yeah, his representation of a solution is, he has given the solution, that is 5 3 4 6 1 2. So these are the sequence of works done. First we need to do fifth job, and then the third job, then fourth, sixth, first and second. So this is the order. So what is the neighborhood solution? Now for example, I have simply proceeding with this. So neighborhood solution means we can go anywhere to anywhere, but here simply let us swap 4 and 2. For example, if we have swapped these two, okay, then the solution will become 5 3 2 6 1 and then 4. Okay, now we want to see the number of solutions. So how many solutions can be possible? So number of solutions we like to see. So how this can be possible? For example, let me start with 5. 5 can be interchanged with 3 and 4 and 6 and 1 and 2. So 5 can be interchanged with 5 different ways. And like 5, there are 6 items, right? 5 3 4 6 1 2. Anyone can be interchanged with any other things. So any one means there are 6 items, any other thing means there are 5 items, except that. Okay, so totally I have 30 solutions, but I want to tell you one thing. If 5 is replaced with 2, I mean maybe with 4, so what will happen? So first job number 4 will be conducted, and then 3 and then 5 6 1 and 2. Okay, but now instead of interchanging 5 and 4, now I like to interchange 4 and 5. So what is the difference? What is the difference? Hardly no different at all. So in this way, every time we are getting 2 solutions, so I need to divide this part with 2. So I can conclude that there are 50 unique solutions obtained in this particular problem. Now we are doing a recency based memory and taboo calculation. So what is this? Recency based memory and taboo calculations. So let me write taboo calculations only. So how this can be done? Taboo calculations. Taboo calculations. So these are the rules what we have framed only. So let me frame a rule such that 3 most recent job swaps are classified as taboo for the problem considered. For example, I have replaced, let me consider this part. I have replaced 4, I have interchanged 4 2 and into 2 4. For example, the output of this is, function output may be 50, for example. By using this, the function output may be 60. My job is to maximize the output of the function. So this is the best result. So what will happen now? I cannot interchange. I cannot move 2 and 4. So now 2 and 4 are in taboo list. So up to when this will be in taboo list? Up to 3 iterations it will be in taboo list. But what will happen after that? So after that it has to be normalized. That means we can also do this job. We can also move 2 and 4. But up to then it will be in taboo list. That means we cannot do this now. So then what does it mean by aspiration level? Aspiration level can be obtained if we are getting the best result and we never get that much result previously. Okay, that part we will see. With this example only. Okay, so these things are in taboo calculation. So we need to put them in taboo list for 3 iterations only. Okay, so let me go ahead quickly with the current solutions and iterations by iteration. Then it will be very easy for us to understand this example. My iteration 0, and let me tell you the current solution. So the current solution is what we have discussed: 5, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2 is the current solution, and objective value is equal to 20. For example, here we need to draw the taboo structure. So how to draw this? First, let me draw one here, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the things. That means how I can do it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the taboo structure, and this is top 4 solutions are here. Out of all the solutions we will consider only top 4 solutions, and this will be, for example, if 5 and 4 is giving the solution of objective value, improvement in objective value as 5, and 3, 6 is giving us 3, and 3, 2 is giving us 1, and 4, 1 is giving us -4. Okay, this part has been given, for example. Then what is the best result? So this will be the best. So now I need to include this part. Currently there is no entry in the taboo structure. So let me tell you what is taboo structure in the next iteration itself. Okay, so in this way we can do it. So now what we need to do? We need to go ahead with the next iteration. So the next iteration is iteration 1. It will be changed as 5 and 4 should be swapped, and that will be here. So this is 4 now, and this is 5 now. And what is objective value? So objective function value is 20 previously, and now it is coming 5 more. So that will be plus 5 is equal to 25. Yes. Now what will happen? 5 and 4 are already done, and we are obtained the best result. So now 4, 5 operation cannot be done. Okay. Now where is 4, 5? Yeah, this is 4 and this is 5, and here we need to write the number of iterations. So up to 3 iterations we cannot change this. Okay, now I can say that 4, 5 in taboo. Now this is the iteration 1. Now we have done the, now we are going to do the operation for getting the objective function value, and all these things will be changed. Okay, now similarly in the previous case we need to identify the top 4 things, top 4 solutions. Let us go ahead with this. So the top 4 solutions are like this: 3, 1, for example, if movement 3, 1 is giving the result 3, and 3, 2 is giving the result 1, and 5, 1 is giving the result -1, and 6, 2 is giving the result -5. So please understand, these are the improvement in the objective value. So this is my best result now. So I can simply move on to the second iteration. So please identify, please try to follow, this is very easy thing. Now I am moving the second iteration. Yeah, now I am in second iteration. What I need to do now? first I need to change 3 and 1. So this will be 1 now. So this will be 3 now. So this is my current solution. And what is the objective function value? It should be plus 3. So objective function value is 28 here. Yeah. So what is the movement? It is 3 comma 1 is the movement. Now 3 comma 1, sorry, 3 comma 1 is the previous move. So I can say that I cannot move back. So 1 comma 3 is in forbidden band. I mean, it is in forbidden strategy. Based on forbidden strategy, 1 comma 3 is in taboo structure. So where is 1? This is 1 and this is 3. So up to 3 iterations it should be in taboo structure. So previously 4 comma 5 are in taboo structure for 3 iterations. Now one iteration has been completed, so this can be changed to 2 iterations. Now I am running my objective function. So based on the running, I have the best top 4 results obtained in this iteration. So what are those results? I will tell you. For 1 comma 3, my result may be, for 1 comma 3 the improvement is minus 3, and for 4 comma 2 the improvement is minus 4, and 4 comma 6 the improvement is minus 6, and 6 comma 2 the improvement is minus 7. So what is 1 comma 3? See, 1 comma 3 is in taboo list, so I can't move this. So this is taboo. So let me write here. This is taboo. Of course, the best result, but I can't go ahead with that. And the second best result is this one, and the third one is also in taboo list. 4 comma 5. Okay, I am sorry. This is 5. So in this way, even though this part is the best result, but I can't go ahead with that because this is in taboo list. But here what happened means I am not getting any improvement, as this is minus 3. I am, instead of getting improved objective result, I have less value compared to the previous thing. So what can I do? Shall I move ahead or not? That is the question. But here we are simply moving forward because we may expect that there may be very good result henceforth. Okay, let's move ahead. Let me use black color here. So this is my third iteration. Yes, what is the best result? So this I can't go ahead with this. This is because this is taboo, so I can't go ahead. So I am using this part 4 comma 2. I am using 4 comma 2, so I need to interchange them 4 comma 2. So let this should be 4 and this will be, sorry, 4. This should be 2 and this should be 4 simply. So what happened? Its value is minus 4, so it will be reduced to 24 now. So what is this? 4 comma 2. Now 2 comma 4 is in taboo list. So now 2 comma 4. Okay, as we have proceeded with 4 comma 2. So 2 comma 4 is in taboo list, and where is 2 comma 4? This is 2 and this is 4. Now this should be, as this is 3 for the previous iteration. So now we have come to the one more iteration. So let me, this will be 2 iterations only, and this will be in taboo for one more iteration. That's all. Now what we need to do, we need to run the system, and we need to get the best 4 results now. So by changing 1 comma 3 I am getting the result as 5, and by changing 2 comma 5 I am getting the result of 1. By changing 1 comma 4 I am getting the result of minus 1, and 6 comma 4 I am getting the result of minus 3. So what can I do now? So it's very pathetic now because the first one is in taboo list 1 comma 3 movement, but this is the best one. Now what can I do? So what is the value now? The objective function value is 24 here. So if I go ahead with this, 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. So please identify 29. I never get 29 as the objective value. So I can say that this is the best value so far. Henceforth, this is the best value so far. That means previously I got 28, which is less than that, 25, which is less than that, even 20, which is less than that. So even though this is in, even though 1 comma 3 moment is in taboo list, but we need to take this out of this taboo according to aspiration level, aspiration condition. As I am getting the best value out of this, so I am simply going ahead with this movement. Okay, so this is the basic concept here. So what will happen? So finally I like to represent this in pink color. Yeah, so finally what happened, 1 comma 3 has been shifted. So the first operation is 2, first job is 2, and second job is 1 comma 3 is shifted. So this will be 3 only, and this will be 1 now. So the second job is 3, third job is 5, fourth job is 6, and next job is 1, and then next job is 4. Okay, so please don't cut these things. For explanation purpose I am doing like this. Don't cut like this. So for each and every iteration you have to write a fresh numbers like this. Okay, for example, for this iteration 4, yeah, this is iteration 4, so I need to write 4 here. Yeah, for iteration 4 I need to draw a fresh, that means 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 and 4. Of course, if you give a table like this, it will be better. Looks good. Okay, that's all, simply. So what will happen? So the objective value becomes 29 now. So this is the latest value, 29 now. And now what happened? So 1 comma 3 is my current move. So what will happen to next move in the opposite way? 3 comma 1 is forbidden value now. So this is 3 and this is 1 here. So 3 comma 1 is forbidden now. So this part is forbidden now. The same thing. Now 3 steps. Forbidden for 3 steps. Yeah. Of course we can go ahead with. So now we can keep on moving like this. But here, if I run the system and I need to see the top 4 results. So here the top 4 solutions are for 5 comma 1. For 5 comma 1 the value is 0, and 3 comma 6 the value is -1, and 1 comma 4 the value is -2, and 3 comma 1 the value may be -5. Of course 3 comma 1 is the taboo list, so we don't touch this, and this is the best value, and I have obtained 0 value here. So this is, I can say that, my stopping criteria. So I have obtained 0 result. That means this is my stopping criteria. So in this way we have discussed all the things. So we have discussed all the things. What is a taboo list and how that will be generated, and what is aspiration condition and how that will be used, and what is the stopping criteria, and when our algorithm come to an end. So this is the explanation for taboo search. So please try to do it carefully in the same manner and try to obtain the same result. If you have any doubts, you can type in the chat window. So you can type in the comment box so that I can come to you. I can answer your questions. So thank you so much for your careful listening. So this is the end of taboo search. Thank you so much.